The Ulster-Scots have their own language for the body, Charlie.
Well, the head is a unit, I suppose. Well, set in.
As well as a head, I have heard it called a napper. And you have twine
Twine,
and a pair of lugs.
paralogs, which is very handy if you happen to do a wee bit of DIY. You can set your pencil behind them.
That's right.
Or keep a book behind the alley. They're all well designed. They were well designed and they're still useful.
Charlie, I think there's a difference between English conversation and Ulster-Scots conversation. An English conversation, you talk and you listen. An Ulster-Scots conversation, you talk and then you wait for your chance to talk again.
Oh, you wait for a gap, yeah. Because they talk about that very quiet, reserved kind of folk. But they talk the hand legs of an ass. All of them once they get started.
So
No,
yeah.
me, no, I'm leaving me out of that.
No, you're the strong silent type, Charlie. There's a reason you had 2 ears and one mouth. You're supposed to listen twice as much as you talk.
Sound advice if anybody would take it.
And
What do you see if we get to your shoulders, your neck? There's not much you can do with that.
the only job that your neck has to do is to keep your head off your shoulders.
Keep it up off your shoulder. If you take the front bit, the swallowing bit, you could say out with the crapping. And then down to the shoulders. And your elbows,
Yes,
wrists, hands,
your arms.
your arms. I would nearly 2 syllable that, arm. And then of course you have 4 fingers and a thumb, either side.
Yes. So, I think chest is about all you're fit to say.
Your
chest.
breast
Your breast. Yes.
of unisex. Breast,
Handy for keeping your cards close to.
hath it's just. And then, well, I don't know, the unseen mysteries, or the puddings,
Oh yes.
you know,
Now that's the Ulster-Scots word for intestines.
the very boy.
My Aunt Kitty had the strongest stomach in the connection. So come Christmas, everybody bought their turkey and took it to Kitty and she cleaned them. Nobody else could face a basin full of puddings.
That wasn't a nice job now, and cleaning was the word for the whole process.
That's right. Continuing on our journey down the body, you come to your what the French call your derriere.
Indeed.
What the Ulster-Scots would say is your arse,
Ah, your hardies.
your hardies. Below your hips, or your hardies, is your hocks. You'd nearly say thighs, I suppose.
I suppose aye.
A hock would have been what my mother would have got in the butcher's on a Saturday for making soup.
Aye.
I mind my dad told me that he was at the butcher's one time and the woman in front of him said, "Could I have a couple of bones for the dog?" And her wee child was with her and he said, "Mommy, Mommy, are we getting a dog?"
Aye, the cheaper cut just wasn't, you know, you weren't in polite society if you'd been soup with a bone.
What was that word you told me for feet? Is it splags?
Aye, splagged. You know, I think it maybe got back into ancient Irish. Didn't it sound like that in ancient Irish? It looks like it, sir.
If you have a bit of a cough or a chest infection in the winter time,
Aye,
up in our country they'd have said you had a hersal,
aye. We talked about cradling.
cradling.
It's one of them words that nearly says the sound of the thing happening. There's some big fancy English word for it.
Onomatopoeia.
That's the very boy. That near was me thinking that was a geranium.
But if you had a hersal on you, that come on you in the winter time.
Aye,
And whilst you would have had to have a wee drop of crater
indeed.
to help lift it.
Aye, applied liberally from the inside.